In this video, we're going to show you how we set up an above the ground saltwater pool. We used a 10-foot by 2.5 feet pool, saltwater system, pool salt, this filtered pump of Tarp, a pool skimmer, pool tester strips and these chemicals, and these hose adapters. The end result should look like this. All the equipment you need should be in the boxes along with what I mentioned to get. I will go through a step-by-step process of how I did this. Let's get to it. First up, you want to clear a flat surface to place the pool. Then you want to pump the pool up. Put the tarp underneath the pool to protect the pool. This pool model has 3 holes, 1 A and 2 Bs. Use the plugs provided in the kit to plug the holes. Next, fill the pool with water. In order to get a smooth pool floor, stretch out the pool while the water is still low. While the pool is filling up, go ahead and put the attachments together. Here is a brief explanation of how I put them together. The T connection will attach the B holes on the pool. Then you want to use one of the hose adapters and put it in the back of the filter pump, as you can see here. Next, you want to use the white hose that comes with the saltwater system and attach it to the other side of the water filter. Then you take the end of that hose and attach it to the saltwater system, with the arrow going in towards the saltwater system. Lastly, you take the last hose adapter and attach it to the other side of the saltwater system with the arrow going out, and then you're done with that setup. Just in case, here's a tutorial of how to put the clamps on. You want to put it on top of the rubber washer and then twist it closed. You put it on correctly if it is difficult to separate the pieces apart. You also want to put salt in the pool while it's filling up. My pool only had 1,000 gallons of water. To get to the ideal salt level for my pool, I needed to put 24 pounds of salt, or 12 quarts. I used a 3-quart jug that I bought from the Dollar Tree to measure it accurately. Next, you want to mix the pool to help dissolve the salt. I used a pool skimmer for this. Once your pool is filled, go ahead and plug the attachments to the pool. You're almost done. You have a couple more steps to go. It should look like this. The B attachments take the water from the pool into the water filter and then into the saltwater system. The saltwater system breaks down the salt in the pool and makes it into chlorine before cleaning the pool. Step 11, you want to replace the black plugs in the pool with the gray attachments. This allows water to go into the tubes, the filter pump, and the saltwater system. Step 12, you want to set how long you want the filter pump to run. This knob is on the other side of the filter pump. For this pool size, I only set it for 4 hours. Next, you want to loosen the top of the filter pump in order to get all the air out of the filter pump. When water is pouring out of the top, go ahead and tighten it. Next, turn the filter pump on. According to the manual, you should let it run its full course and then wait till the next morning before you turn on the saltwater system. That way the pool salt is fully dissolved and will not damage your saltwater system. After 24 hours, you can turn on your saltwater system. Press and hold the unlock button until you hear a beep. Then push the timer button to change how many hours you want it to run. And then press the lock button to set it. For this size pool, you want it to run for 2 to 3 hours. The blinking green light tells you that it's working. For first time installation, you do want to turn on the boost cycle. Please refer to the manual on how to do this. This process will take another 24 hours or so. Last step is to test the pool and adjust the chemicals accordingly. This can take another 24 hours because you don't want to jump in the pool after you treat it. But once you get it right, you get to enjoy your pool. You did it. Great job. Check out the description down below for more tips. If you found this video helpful, please click thumbs up and subscribe, and also help me grow my channel by writing your comments down below. Until next time, bye!